What's going on? What's going on? Going on, my Speak My Mind family? What's up, my nice and lovely supporters of this channel? Speak My Mind Entertainment, boy, people. All age a show, boy. Watch ya. Watch all age, people. But you know, watch grey hair, you know. All age, you come with grey hair. They are people born with grey hair. Put up me here naive and you're still on. Get back young again. Me can't transform, you know. It's like transformer. Anyways, people, my family, you know what they do, you know. Just do the do. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel and you continue to watch, if you find yourself amongst the 26% of people who are not subscribed and watching this channel, please get yourself out of that 26%. Alright? Else sooner or later you're going to miss something. So just hit the subscription button now and subscribe to the channel. Do the do. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up just as you hit the video. As you hit the video, you hit the thumbs up. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. If you're not yet subscribed either to that channel, just go over there and subscribe. Multi-purpose channel, you know. You get every little thing over there. Family-oriented channel, you know. Yes, man. And remember, when you look up here saying at the community, you see Tamika Douglas TV. Remember, the motto today is the last day where the weeks end, and I think Tamika need 2 more subscribers to get that 10 subscriber that I have asked for the week, right? And cause we now count the surplus we get last week, you know, cause we get more than the 10 last week, but we want to give 10 every week. And I think Life with Gabby and Chevy down in the comment section, I think she either reach or want 1 more to make that 10 also. So when you don't see this video tomorrow, call it a brata. So you just run it up, and the 3 or 4 where she want and the 1 that she want, you just subscribe. And we just add it to it and call it alright. Yes, because you want to see that video you're late. But anyway, I come out here now, people, just to play a little part of one Dr. Donna Marigo where she has said something. And you know, me don't know when she think of this or she have it in her long time and know. But at the same time, me never did have this in a me long time and know this. And still play so soft-hearted to people. Still try to keep people that close to me. No, me not gonna do it, people. Me not gonna do it because you can't stay far and hurt me, you know. So just imagine me let you in near to me. Or even more chance and opportunity that to hurt me. So, as she say in a part title, she say, I will think she hear, but she not have no proof to, which I agree, because me as a person like this also, me like evidence, me like proof. Now come to me with your me say, you say, me say. Me not gonna take it. I will take it and put it in the back of my head, and then it open up my eyes in a way based on what you said to me, and I will observe my surrounding and observe the person. You understand? If it's an individual, and then I will make my decision from there. But me not gonna just jump up and blame the person and call them something they call mix up. Because people come to you and say X, Y, Z, day, and you not take no time out to find out what's the real true story behind it and what's really going on. You just go at the person, you call that mix up, and when you check and start nothing go so. The person have a little problem, but to them want to get you in the mix. Them just come to you, yes. So me like proof, so me not wrong already part there. You hear things, you just observe and see what is what. So me just gonna play a little part of one live we should do today, so who not hear, miss it, and want to go back and watch it. I think that the thumbnail of what? Judas something or another. I don't remember how the thumbnail go. But it's about the Judas. But before me get into the video, Negretta, happy 68th belated birthday. Alright, I didn't go public and say it to you, you know, but I'm gonna make it public. Negretta Unstoppable, happy 68th birthday, ma'am. I wish you 120 more on top of more. Yeah, Shabarang said, more on top of more. Yes, man, bless up. You look fresh too. You look like you're just 30, like you're half of your age. And before me go into the video, I want to make this clear. Just give me another second here, my people. As you know, as I said, YouTubers, most YouTubers have a contact out there, DM, WhatsApp, messengers and stuff like that. And I don't want you people out there, because you might be watching the videos and I have a number out there. You're going to come in my DM, you're going to come in my messenger, and you're going to come in my WhatsApp. Especially the people them who hear me say, boy, yes, kindness is greatness and whatsoever, rare, and they must like to share. And then tune out to what is going on and the life is a mission TV. Me and Auntie Donna. Please, I'm not going to disrespect anybody. And the person who sent me that message yesterday or this morning in my WhatsApp, I don't want you to take this personal. I'm just saying this in general now. I'm just making something clear. Me is not the person who I go be like Auntie Donna. So please, don't come in on my WhatsApp and them something with no foolishness about this or not beg, this or not look for help and whatsoever. I am not running a charity. I am just giving back to the needy, and I have to see that you are needy. So you can't live in Negril, Westmoreland, Portland, St. Mary, Rockabeth, all about. I don't know you. That don't mean I have to know you, but just understand what I'm saying here. And you're going to reach out to me for a little assistance. Well, the assistant might be something where make you an angle. Yes, it might be an angle because it might not much. But as you hear me say, I give back to the needy, not the greedy. And there's a lot of people out there, them just red eye, pink eye, blue eye, and yellow eye. You understand? And see, like say everything I give them for in it. All when time them can't take away themselves because them not really need it, but them just greedy. And you come and you say to me, say, okay, can you assist me in XYZ? And then you tell me, say, you don't want to go public. Listen, I am not going to come and run a survey and you or a video you to put you out there to the public for the public help you because I'm a charity me I run. Alright? But if me hear you cry, and if me can probably make 2 links and find out if you're really in need, when me assist you and I go give you what you go get the liquor we me can give to you, you will have to go on camera. You know the reason why? As me just say enough up on the people who just not like say nothing I give you on and not get. And me want if me even end up give you because me believe you or your story touch me, me want at the end of the day when me I give you, when me put you out there handing it over to you. Despite me not know nothing about you before me give you and you already get it already. Me want if 1 week, 1 day, 1 month, 1 year after somebody see this and say, no sir, him terribly, no sir, she terribly. After her pity them or her family them or she have her good job, she still have to talk about she have beg the man this and or she have beg the woman this. No sir, she never need it. Yes. And then when somebody can prove it, I probably go public to on different platform, not most my own. And you go back and see that, your conscience bother you. Alright? And at the same time, when me put you out there, you understand? It only help the channel to can help somebody else also. Because people will see. You understand? And probably subscribe to the channel, which is more views, more subscribers. So at the end of the day, we might get an extra $5, $10 where we can take an extra $3 out of it help somebody else. So why me I gonna help you and the help I gonna stop at you? When you all me have to do this and it can help the channel to grow, we can help somebody else. So I'm not coming on my WhatsApp if me or my DM or whatsoever asking for nothing to tell me about off camera or whatsoever. It not going to work. You understand? It not going to work. So you can't forget that. And I'm here for the needy, not the greedy. Anyway, people, I could get right into the video right away. When I listen to Auntie Donna say, as you don't know, me I gotta just talk in between because of YouTube guide, because despite, me not gonna expect admin gonna strike me or Donna gonna strike me, but me still apply towards the rules. Alright? And as you know, hear me always telling you, something like this she are saying, no bail out your gut to nobody. Keep your privacy to yourself.
Kind of like people business, them and talk about me with our charity business. Yeah, we sit down with somebody I ask them, no, I'm tired of, you just have vent to the person. And when you see
Bob Marley tell you that. Only your friend know your secret. So only he can reveal it. Who the cap fit? Let them wear it. That's why them say anything more than one somebody know and a secret. Because me tell you as my best friend, I mean not best friend, me tell you as my friend then. Say boy, I know say me I go through a little thing. Boy, I know say at my age, all a female now, boy, you know at my age, I never know say me reach menopause. Me go a doctor and doctor say me reach menopause. And me I say doctor, at 35 years old me reach menopause, doctor say yes man, that's how I go. And nature, you can't question it. And you are true, the doctor said that and you're 35, you sit down with your friend one day and you said, why, you know, say me a look a sad story and you tell her and then to a 35-year-old, you still can't believe. And you share it with her. She know what tell herself, say true at 35 to she have her best friend. She can't tell for her best friend to be for her best friend, tell her next best friend. And I know something we did really want to go out there like that. But each one trusts another person as them friend and them tell them the story. And then it reach the wrong ears. And then it just go way out in the public. So, anything more than one somebody know, and a secret. So keep your personal business to yourself. We can talk, almost can something we can talk anywhere, anytime, and you're no business.
Last year, me attack from summer. And when me buy me X6, Chris, you know, X6, you have to never buy your phone. No, yeah, you have to order it and set up. Remember, when me not even come on phone, come say the X6 come. And people down in a phone and tell people, say, hey, oh my God. You see, for the things that them attack, oh, me and Charity will trouble me, but I make deep personal things. If me say me I go do this, or if me say this, something I know nothing to do with people out the road, that's why it hurt me. I know nothing to do with Charity, because me tell you now, anybody where they run.
You see me tell you, this is the main reason why it hurt her. Because this is personal business. This is not the way in the public. Like charity or donors and whatsoever. You understand? This is our personal business. Plus, the big plus, not a X, you know, a big plus is who is the perpetrator. You understand? That is the big plus. You never ever look for that person. You never ever look for that person. If it was, if it was Natalie, it would have surprising also. But probably it wouldn't surprise and hurt so. Because if you go so, we run out of here so. Natalie, I know that. But the next person who is the perpetrator, them are that. You understand what I say? That's why it hurts so. That's why it hurts so bad. If love's so nice, why do it hurt so bad? You understand what I say? Love is so nice, but at the same time it hurts so bad. Because you look at the person who have done this as somebody who you love and give out your heart to. Because why? They are. You understand what I say to you? I just one day, in the cake season, you have vent fear because, you know, you're not, as everybody knows, sometimes you talk and you don't really mean nothing but other people take it as something. Even them around you sometimes feel like you go too hard upon them or talk too hard to them and them probably go on like them one. And you vent fear. I mean, Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Because of love. You understand? But you saw love hurt bad.
Donna go, can replace. Nobody that have no secret space so me can run them way. Me run way any I tell you now again. If Paula slip, me run Paula. Any ask the people that about me.
And this is the one thing we tell people every day. Me no want obligated to nobody at all. Yes, as soon as you make people feel like you're obligated to them, allow yourself to obligate it to people. It's like you're going to see a huge hole heading towards them and you just feel so super powered, like you can't drop in at the hole. Because you feel like you obligate them and them want you to come across it, so if you do something for them and you see the hole, you end up walk across it and drop in it. Because what? The obligation where you feel like you have for this person. You understand? Yes, man. It's like you can't tell the person no. And in the circumstance where she just said a while ago. Yeah, man. Me don't want nobody obligated to me and me don't want obligated to nobody. Because what? Me want if you're messed up and me feel like tell you say, go on, you're go on. I mean I feel within myself say me obligated to you if you keep you around me because what? Because nothing. You're messed up and I feel like you have crossed the line. Go and go your merry ways. No vindictive feelings. Just go your merry ways. And we just separate. As them say, love from a distance. I allow and buy. Simple.
Anybody do me nothing, me see, so me tell you, say, don't come back on me. And if me say me not gonna deal with you for life again, me not gonna deal with you. Me no need nobody.
Despite we rule on a two different sign, I really January you're born, you know. Yeah, man, I really January you're born. People, if there's a difference between me and you see, if you ever hear me say I eat that, me done. Alright, if you want to know how serious me is, because I not play with God, you know. One thing, me not play with God. Me not play with what? The Almighty. You see, if you ever do me something or me and you have little entanglement or little differences, and me feel like it reach the core, and you hear me say me done, and you hear me come out and me swear upon the Almighty, and say, Father God, this are, you know, the old time say, you know, them say thunder roll and, you know, lightning, and you ever hear me come out and, or me say, pan me pitney them or pan my own life, and you want to hear me come out and say that, tell the world say your day is dark, because you will never ever hear me talk to you again. And if me say me now go back at the shop there and me do the same thing, swear, you will never see me come back at the shop there. So I really January Donna man, like myself, you want to choose a rule and a two different sign.
Anybody they run me and slip with me and make it hurt me too much. Me run you from around me. And I saw me need to stay from me ever. This is not a good time. Because I always say me can't live without. Hey, them to pick them, this one me Chris, me can't live without them. If friends do me nothing, me can't live with. The only money me can't live without a God. So, nobody no feel like say them too dear to me heart or me can't do it because me did come by.
It's not too dear to your heart, you know. They are dear to your heart. Because your kids are going to be dear to your heart. But guess what? There's a space there where say no obligation if it come to the test. Yeah man, there's a space in the heart that has a sign mark, no obligation if it come to the test. So if you feel like me obligated to you and you feel like certain things you can do and put my back against the wall, if you feel like you can stick me up, that space where in my heart will mark no obligation, it will go play its role now. Yes man.
When me a come out of my mama belly and me one come out there, she put me in a basket and call me a bird.
No obligation.
My grandmother tell me that when me a 7-year-old, God she said them a hide it from you.
Same so. No mix up, no so, no gossip. Come with your proof.
A dangerous viper. And when they done it, that's why I'm afraid of Christian people out of talk about God. They could have poisoned me, kill me. And that
How are Donna just a while ago? She afraid of her? Hey. What do you only hear me preach that to you? No phone over here, Christian. And who want to take it personal, take it personal. But who understand what we are saying. How are they? I'm telling you, I'm point it out too, you know. When I think of the same Gracie, she come at talk about Christian and Ray and Lost Soul. And me I say, the biggest mix-up in the church. The biggest set of mix-up people them in the church call themselves Christian. You remember that video I do? I'm telling you, say, every time church over, you say one set here, so, one set there, so, one set there, so. I don't talk, them I talk about the church service, so just done, you know. And then God, them yard, no. I stop everybody, I chat them one and I chat this. Everybody group up. Like gang of five. Everybody group up, I chat something different about somebody, pastor, church, sister, pastor, wife, who pastor David. Are the same thing this auntie I try to tell you now. Oh. So true, because you now look that side there. And that's true, you know. Because probably the last part of the line that you'd have look. Yeah man, the last part of the line that all because the person is BLOOD. So you now look upon that person the first. You now look upon the strangers first. So true it is. So true. You now look this stuff true.
Stop serve God. Because God every Judas and every Judas road. If it takes 5 years, if it takes 10 years, God are gonna show me. Out of the blues. The people them call me for one when Cora see come in the man when they let them follow. When rush off it, I fight this stuff. When Cora when I'm about to you say Anthony on the road. So they start calling me, the woman call me and I say, oh Anthony, I can't hold this no more. I start bleed. I don't know nothing about no charity nor nothing about me. I mean, I'll human to be black sheep.
You know? And this is a big question in all of this, you know. Yeah man, this is a big question in all of this. We know the motive is money. The motive is money. But the question is, how it reach this so? Because this is not about like you call a donor about charity. I say, boy, lad, you know, say you give Donna the money and Donna figure that girl and that girl never need it because she have her family, them a help her or her man a help her. And you know, say Donna didn't know say her family a help her and Donna still, you know, then you could have said, boy, well, alright, it have something to do with charity. Whether a personal life, you as a family member, why you have to take her personal life to take to somebody where you don't know from nowhere? But just because the person is a donor and support Donna in a sense, and somewhere along the line you might come across having the number because you are someone who also used to ship cake and your people used to ship cake, so you might come across the person and interact with the person over phone and stuff like that. But what the woman personal business have to do with this? And that's the biggest question, you know. And this lead to ready high. Greed and ready high. It lead to. Because as me say, if I did something to do with charity, me could have see. But the woman personal life. And this is why I'm telling you know, people. Me not chat to people I find for purpose on phone, you know. Yeah man, me not chat to people on phone. As since me on social media, you know, couple subscribers will call me and I say something to me, or like, you know, I say, boy, we are a big me up or so and me talk. But you see the long sitting up on phone talk, from me I grow my prefer and phone come frequently to poor people. Texting, I would do that all day because you can text and pass. But for me, a phone on my ears, for all wonder what is up. When me have to talk about so. So me not like phone. And me not talk to people. Me not like talk to foreigner, family, friend, nobody at all. Because most of them are mix up them want. When you call them, they expect say for hear say you're big sitting. Or you call them to give them mix up. And me not depend that. So me not too talk to people on phone. So me not know how this girl, what you don't know. Why me don't know, me don't know. She have to come explain this. And I don't think she will ever do.
Every time they want the people, they want them to tell them a sad story. And I know one person now, they move from 2 to 3 now to 4.
How are you? I want side chair open. I work as I share the work, but she work for multi-purpose company. Okay. So she a accountant over here, so. She a bearer over here, so. She a secretary over there, so. And she a manager over there, so. So she want 4 pay. So she calculate what she a do. And tell herself, say, alright, if me get 400 from that one day, 500 from that one, and 9 that. And that one they give me 2, I 11 that. And if that one they give me 4, I 5. She calculate a pay bill. I know 1 somebody at, I know 2, I know 3. She calculate her pay bill. It's a good calculator, man. I better she take Paula job, boy. I better she issue about Paula. Probably people that say, boy, it look bad, but she a family, so nothing no wrong. I better if I calculating work, she don't want that, but boy, probably she wouldn't so honest like Paula at all. Because money, if I money, make sure I do this against your family. Just imagine if she did angle your money with a certain, you know, component. You understand me? I say, my people, should have, it wouldn't work out. Money that missing like rat dry to it. And you like, yes, I told she got touch the chicken in the kitchen. And she pull out the money and chew, look at the grease, the dip on the chicken, the rat dry to it. Or snuggle. You don't hear what money missing and them would probably say snuggle dry to it. Anyway, we could continue. Snuggle that be a bad name and rat, sir.
And people, other people that can open up a whole heap of door now. You can't do no business and say, you know, say, me I go do this and stuff. You know, say, me do this. People know. Them going on my phone, screenshot out, take out my YouTube. Because I never remember said, that's why I delete it off of this. I never remember said, this is my name, YouTube Studio. Anybody can click it up. I let on my phone. Yeah, me let it go.
Yeah, that's true, because sometimes, worse in a cake season, the charity phone, she always have the charity phone, like, give them call, if caller come in and certain things them can't answer. We have seen it more than one time. And your YouTube Studio, once you, if you even delete it off of your take off the apps off of your phone, the YouTube apps. If them smart, worse, the person is a YouTuber. Might not feel long, but people learn quick. And you go so boom, and you go back in a Play Store, and you go so bang, 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 and you install back YouTube Studio. Once it done install and come up, it going to come up and give you all Auntie Donna information. How much she earned last month, and give you all the stats you want to see. So if Donna even did delete the YouTube Studio off her phone, once she let go the phone and them have access to the phone, it is simple. Play Store, install back the YouTube app, Studio apps, boom. And when it install, from the install, automatically install back with all of Donna information on YouTube. So probably when we hear say Donna make X amount, people have said them can't tell you how much Donna make and whatsoever. And we have said, oh that, on YouTube, on have people that work on YouTube. Probably also, you know. How good are they say the same information leak? Yes, man. How good are they the same information leak? Right, Judas, so. Because them go up on the YouTube Studio and can see how much you earned last month. Because you have a part to tell you estimate how much you estimate for the month already. And Your last pay, where you get, it show you how much you get. When you go in the AdSense, it show you how much you get last month for your pay. So probably I just say everything are leak. Them say 1 and 1 plus 1 and 2 and 1 and 1 and 11. Sometimes, you know, people, you have some unmatched puzzle where can't match and you wonder. And you wonder. But one day the puzzle will match. Cause right now it come like I saw the puzzle match, you know. Cause I remember when I tell the people, them I say, they can't tell you how much you make and how much you make. I mean, one time I said, we mean we do one video, I say I lie. You know, people that work with YouTube, we are telling people information. But I never know some people that work with the person. We have the information where them are let out. Oh, whoa, trust nobody.
I tell people what you money me and make all the hey. With that phone, I don't want to get mad today.
That's how the jealous are creepy in, you know. That's how creepy in, man.
People them a tell me can't tell a lie, nothing. Me can't say, boy, you know, say that one day a lie, or that one day a no lie.
Cause the people them have facts.
So when me hear so far,
And the wolf carry the facts.
personal things where that
Right. The wolf carry the facts to the people, them, you know. So when them come back and tell you, you have to just accept it because you know how it go.
yeah, make it like me there, you wanna not get nothing from me. I just see the parlor come and a cuss. Natalie a cuss. Because they never know the depth.
And then now, you know, it's so funny, as me just say, you know, you as the family member would have be the last person she would have look upon, Donna would have look upon. And then now, all this blame would have focused upon the ones who are not family, who are close allied, like Tina, Paula, and Natalie. Yeah. And that's all the focus that there, you know. Because you have family, so you're there on her back. Them time there, guilt a kill you. Because let me tell you something, people. Them say, guilty conscience speak loud. I don't care how you hide. You see, inside of you, the guilt a deal with you. Some people can hold the guilt when the conscience ride them. Some can't hold them if just come out and say, right, I mean, I can't hold it no more. I have to talk. I me did do that. I me did say that. Yes. Some can't hold the guilt when the guilty conscience ride. Some can't hold it. But anyway you're there, the guilt will tear out your stomach plate. May I tell you? And this is why them have the saying, say, guilty conscience speak loud. You just imagine, you there road, and you don't know nothing, you come a your yard. And when you look, you see one plane and your window broke out. And you go and you say, John, come here. Remember, you know nothing, you just use your head now because you want to find out how the window broke. Are your things torn on my window, you know? No. You see how thing is torn on my window? No. Whether him see, I don't know him, sooner or later, the guilt start come out. And I'm going to tell you, say, as soon as the little boy do it, or for him, sooner or later, you're going to hear him say, you know, say the ball me a kick and it catch it. Some as you start show your word, them take you on. Because the conscience a beat them. Some as you start talk, because them know them come up front and come tell you straight and plain. Say, you know, say the ball me did a fling and yes, man. Guilty conscience, man. Speak loud. Anyway, people, go on another minute or so. Cause
You have to be careful on it too. And set to people that everybody want. So we have some people get envious and shit them come on you and them want to live like the Miss Jones and the Mr. Jones. The Azan and put them at push back, them can't reach it.
now wait them time, boy.
So you have to be careful when you put out them. This now teach me a lesson. So if I know me pick me, them not talk nothing.
Why? All them me afraid of.
But you not push me up in a life, you know.
Hard work and dedication, we see it.
I may do everything I reach when me there.
Hard work and dedication, we see it, we see it.
$1 million a month, that is my business. And me one sit down for me body. Nobody out there not supposed to know that. If me want to make $2 million a month, nobody not supposed to know that.
Anyway, people, I just want to do one live. I don't want to do 2 live. But I come across one live, people. I never know say this a man they cross this a diaspora. I never know, people. I never know say this a man that cross this a diaspora. The man named producer, not the woman producer. I think I Wayne the producer. The same one there where him and Andre whatsoever if I not tell lie. But it surprised me, people, because I never know same day over this a diaspora. This a diaspora draw all kind of people. So then go on like a beer duns people over this diaspora. And educated people running over here. Or educated people already over here. Although we know educated people was already over here. And them brag on us over here. But people, the man go on with himself. The man talk up some sitting about Mishit Bradshaw from over tell like camp. The man burn a piece of fire. Me wonder if the man keep it on a brother. Pan Lorraine and her. People, who no listen. Listen. So people, I want to kind of listen look keenly because I don't know if because of the type of voice him have. It kind of low, or I don't know if he was a bit far from his microphone, because you know like a podcast I think them type of man they do, you know. And I like me where I use phone like cheap things and rare. Them and have them microphone set up and them scream and something. So I don't know if the microphone was not properly tuned, or it was low, or it was a distant away from the microphone. So only listen keenly, and plus outside me there. But people, brace on yourself. Me never expect this. One, me never expect say them a type of man over the diaspora. Me think I Dubai them and they live. Me never know say them live right in a Haiti, yeah, so. Where the now go on, you understand what I say? That are the main thing that surprise me. Not to mention how the man go along. No, sir. You know, listen.
Too hard on Lorraine Brown this morning. You know why? I guarantee you that the bacteria in Lorraine kitchen sink will deal with her more effectively than I or anybody else could deal with her.
This a man your mouth bad than my one.
So me now go carry on Lorraine this morning.
Man left the bacteria to take care of your Lorraine, so we are going to deal with Mishit. Yeah man, cause she love run out, you know. She coming like hands.
Good morning and welcome. Michelle Bradshaw, the open funeral parlor. For those who don't know Michelle Bradshaw, every mother-in-law hates Michelle Bradshaw. Something wrong with under Michelle Bradshaw. Every man sleep with Michelle Bradshaw. Them dead. The last.
What the man do say a while ago? The open funeral parlor. The man say, Michelle Bradshaw, a open funeral parlor, so she accept all kind. Every mother-in-law hate her. Tell the people them why come. Me don't know why.
Man, an undertaker have to come pick him off of Michelle Bradshaw. What have your bachelor's degree and master's degree done You want to me blood pressure pill or to me mad pill? Me have any one away you want. Charming Range, good morning. Me have.
So let me ask a question. So all along when me I say, you know, the baby them a ball. So I know just the baby them alone a ball. Mommy, where you left me? The daddy them a ball too. How we do that? Actually cheaper if you dig one hole. So you just put father, you understand? So when me they talk about mommy, daddy a ball too. Wifey, fiance, how where the rasta Jadis? This not sound good at all. Where this a man a come from, man?
Any hour you want, Michelle Bradshaw. Blood pressure or mad pill? Are your bones be mad? Are your bones to have high blood pressure? Why you don't go find something you keyless, girl? Girl, where every man climb up on top of you end up in a mark. That's why no mother-in-law don't like you, Michelle Bradshaw. I them something you to the mind.
Talk up your things them.
Use your degree.
You bother me.
Go and use.
Take it button, sir. Take it button. You bother me. Take it button.
Donna got her honorary degree because of her good deeds and good work. Elder Fletcher, good morning. Make the bacteria them near Mount Lorraine, because bacteria certainly are going to damage Lorraine.
All about her, the bacteria there. All about. Not just in the kitchen sink in her mouth. All about. Why?
Sean needs to find out where under her a killer. 3 man now you kill Michelle Bradshaw. The last one an undertaker roll out for you. But every day you come out and you cuss and you throw down and you cab.
Other one they make you take alcohol for it. Oh. So every time she's alone, the memory come back. Flashes of memories is back. She remember exactly everything we are going when the undertaker rolling off that person. So that's why she take alcohol for it. And this is why she have to depend on phone with her PhD and her HID and her HID and her CCC and CXC and GCT. She can depend on phone so every minute of the day when she there work. Because it's a way of relaxing her mind. So she can't remember and have no memories of when the undertaker taking that man off her. Okay. Teach me more. Them nothing. I know everything you can know.
Provide on evidence. The accusation of Donna go. Provide the evidence.
So true. 5 years and can't provide any.
Evidence. When you're supposed to be able to present the evidence you have by now to a prosecutor, and to investigators. So investigators can go investigate, and if they need to, them prosecute. But every day when I get up, I don't be bad mind like a lot of Jamaicans. Because if anybody else has succeed, and an owner has succeed, then it must be a tear down. Michelle Bradshaw will find something. Go find out you're dead. And that you should go find out, Michelle Bradshaw, why every man you lay down with end up in a man. Find out what's wrong with you.
How they work there?
For the woman name and go find something good.
And them job them work at the mall. So what you say? That's something you tell me, sir. Them work there. What are you asking? Why every man lie down pan her go at the mag? So all of the man should take work with the mag? She have a touchy man to work with at the mag? Or is something different happen? You need to make it clear, sir. Why every man lie down pan you go at the mag? Because them work there, sir. And that's why she take them, because she said them man they get a whole heap of money for them pay, sir. I know that, sir. School challenge quiz. You're wrong. We wrong? Why come tell me I can't me no know?
To prove one of case by now, Verna Adams, good morning. Back road, back to no when they are back road. To Michelle Bradshaw, they are just people go get killed, you know. Make she stay where she's at.
A good thing say me no go there so.
You know, say back road she can do over customer night time. You have parlor, me not think.
If me I go market, a private market, me no go the public one. Cause me can't take a crowd. So me not go end up round a back road for she catch me, sir. Me no go public market, me go private market.
Archers might just overrun. You're careful. Careful. Next thing you know, Dr. Tufton have sudden death, Panther have sudden death on him hand for the postmortem. Don't make Archers overrun, please. But find something to Michelle Bradshaw. Find something to. Martin Parma. I feel if Donna up on your page, and beg money to fix this bridge. Is the
Some technical difficulty there, no, cause see the mic gone low again.
Jamaica Municipal Corporation.
He might have some technical difficulty. But it come like him not realize.
That's why one can't tolerate success. That's why one can't highlight success. Because all when you have a budget for it.
Them don't know any name success, man. Them a failure, you know. So them want everybody to feel like them. That's why them don't know what is success. And know what is genuine success. Them don't know what it is to work for reach where them reach. And probably that's why she never reached away in politics. Because me say she was a part of politics. But you can be a part of politics, but what part of politics? Because the little man with them money look upon when election time for be a runner. Him can't say I'm a politician. Because when politics time come, him take part. The man they go out there go take up little survey, do little survey. Can't say I'm a politician. But when politics done, them not need him. So it's what role she play in politics. You understand? They also said she were media personnel, but what role? You can't work at TV as the woman who sweep up the place like how she did at the lawyer office now sweep it up and clean it up. And then say she a lawyer, or she a paralegal, or she a something. Not because you work at public, you're a doctor. Not because you work at public hospital, you're a nurse. Come on. There's a lot of different category work done by public hospital. So, me no know still, you tell me. Coming like that she got study for. And we still not know no alleged because she not show nothing publicly all now. All know she not show nothing publicly. And make sure it look official. Although it can look official and still not real. Technology increase, criminality increase. People, you see why I say me surprised. This man over this diaspora. You tell me, I don't know if you know say him over here a long time, you know. Anyhow, never buck him up in any yard yet. Anyhow, never jump no fence and see me as I jump come over while you know I go over. Cause him surprise me, call this a party where the dirty sink. Them man never just hear him hear it. You know, and him just catch on to the whole story. Or him the day from them the time because a long time the gingy fly, ginger fly, all kind of fly, you know. Did I fly around the plate them in the kitchen when the husband come in, Mr. Steve, and say, boy, Eve, what about the dirty plate them in the kitchen? Come wash them. It's a good while Steve call Eve. If you wash dirty plate, so it come like a long time the man over here. I not just know. Anyway, people, as me say, that a hit here now because me no know what more to say. Me no know what more to say, people, but it's like a long time this man there. But him have said a lot, and as him say, him clash with Michelle already, so he must know much more about her. And are two educated people. So make we see what plans out because we know she coming back. She's coming back. Because you know she love the media, you know. So anyway, speak my mind, people. We don't know what to do. Just go and do the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. And remember up there, so Tamika Douglas, down here, so Life with Gabby and Chevy, and the cash up down there too. $, Life is a Mission TV. Just give them a subscription. I think as me say 112 or 3 and 111 to reach the quarter of the week 10. And you know so the fresh week start tomorrow again. Alright? Last week we run past the 10 long time, you know, but this week it kinda slow up. But I saw it go. So if you don't subscribe yet, just go there. Tamika Douglas up the center of the community TV. And down here so Life with Gabby and Chevy. And continue to support both of my channels. Speak My Mind Entertainment, Life is a Mission TV. It now cost no $1. Big up all of my real supporter them. JJ, big up yourself. Maureen, yeah man. Nicole, hi Nicole. Patricia, Pat, big up yourself. Cause, yeah man, Night Nurse. Only you alone can quench me thirst. Big up on yourself. I'm out.